Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the mic and putting it into pairing mode. This is how the PC will discover it. On your PC, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on. Once done, keep the mic near the computer within 3 to 10 meters. Make sure other headsets are off to avoid interference, and quit apps that might lock the device. These steps let your system actively scan and present the mic in the available devices list so you can select it next. Once the mic appears, select Add Device then Bluetooth. Confirm any PIN or pairing prompt the mic shows. After pairing, open Sound Settings and choose the mic as the input device, then set it as default so apps use it automatically. Next, test by speaking and monitor level meters. Make sure peaks sit around -12 to -6 decibels to avoid clipping. If your mic has hardware gain, adjust it now. These actions. To finish, join a test call or record a clip to confirm real-world behavior. If sound is low or missing, restart the app and verify it's using the new input. If problems persist, remove the Bluetooth device, toggle the PC Bluetooth off and on, then repair the mic. This often clears handshake errors. Make sure Windows Privacy allows microphone access and update Bluetooth or audio drivers if needed. These final steps and the troubleshooting tip resolve most connectivity and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.